We'll return you to your regularly scheduled broadcast in just one moment. But first, hey Andy.
Yes, Drew?
What do you think of when I say the word Saturnalia?
Timeless classics?
Huh, right you are. And boy, do we have a treat for you.
Let me tell you about what we have for you today.
We have a 6 CD album compilation entitled Sounds of Saturnalia.
With all of your favorites, such as...
I'll have a blue Saturnalia without you.
My king baby, hurry down the chimney tonight.
Have yourself a merry little Saturnalia.
Walking in a winter solstice wonderland.
I'll be home for Saturnalia.
Oh, little town of Rome.
Star-shaped cookies roasting on an open fire. The god of Saturn nipping at your nose.
It's beginning to look a lot like Saturnalia.
I'm dreaming of a white Saturnalia.
Wow, it's snowing.
And just like the snow, this offer isn't going to last long.
In order to purchase Sounds of Saturnalia, go online, www.soundsofsaturn.com, and follow the on-screen instructions. Or just call this toll-free number.
And folks, above all else, have
Happy
a happy Saturnalia!